Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and as per usual I will just get to it. So a quick analysis and feedback of my sketches from today. I completed first one in 3 minutes, second one 2 minutes 45 and third one in 2.5 minutes. I utilise a very quick learning method along with a feedback. So a feedback loop creates a very quick way for you to summarise and see where you went right and we see where you went wrong, and where you went right you can then apply that for your next ongoing pieces of work, or if you where you went wrong a few times then you know to avoid that. So I utilised geometric and observational skills methods. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please contact me. First and second sketch is the closest to the original reference photo. Third one, it just didn't quite work out. Yes, it's in proportion and the layout and everything apart from the tip of the nose. However, the actual face shape is not the same as the first two. So I knew where I went wrong and I know not to do that again. My speed, my accuracy, the ratios, proportions and layout, all in general, all the fundamentals of sketching are all dramatically improving, and I'm really happy with that. It's only taken a few weeks, but this learning method is definitely proving that it does work. Let me know if you utilise this, and I shall see you next time. Bye!